A good game here this afternoon, not good, under foot condition. Tell me about it.
I think this is the best game to play from the JC game. This is how I want them to play. Keep passing and enjoy themselves as much as possible. And I'm pleased today.
You're satisfied of your goal margin, your 3 goal margin, because you can win. You could have the more goal could have scored.
Yeah, but it wasn't to be. The under foot condition to get through. They never want to over push the team forward and get caught at the back. Try to keep a clean sheet right. This is our fourth game, fifth game without conceding a goal, so we need to continue that team.
Based off the weather condition, how would you say a team performs? The weather condition, how do you think the weather condition affects the team performance? I know you're a position-based team. How do you think that affects it?
I think, as I said, this is the better game. For different GC game, it's not a better game that we play during the sixth season. I just want to content like this and better. This is how I want him to play. So I'm never really looking at the goal margin as much. This is how I want him to play on the Giants.
Since you haven't conceded a goal, I think you're the only team so far in the competition who have yet to concede a goal. Are you really structuring the team around a proper defensive structure?
Yeah, definitely. We play a lot of youngsters at the back, and them really putting out a good shift out there. And with the central midfielders that we playing with, they're really doing a good job in front.
How good is you think is the defense?
I think we have a very good defense line. We so far 4 or 5 games without conceding. You must have to thumbs up to them. Have some 16 and 15 year at the back, so you must have to give thumbs up to them.
All of them inexperienced to manning cup.
This is them second year. The first year, last year was them first year, and we want to walk a cup with them. And this year again, they are there at 15 and 16 years. So I'm pleased.
How disappointed you're not scoring? Well, you scored 3 goals now, but I mean, apart from the 3 goals, they're still not scoring a whole lot of goals. Disappointed in that regard.
When they look on the structure of the team and the full, going forward, we don't have a number 9, as I would say. So that is something that league in some season. But definitely we're scoring goals and we're winning games, so that's important.
All right.